It's likely incredibly time-consuming and tedious, and sometimes even challenging, to currently determine the best performing offers for each of your email lists. Well, actually, not anymore, thanks to Klarifi's top offer by list report. Once logged into your Klarifi account, click on Reporting from the left navigation sidebar, then click on Top Offers by List. Next, near the top of the page, choose the date range you want to use, how many top offers you want to see per list, and what metric you want to use to determine the best performing offers, either by revenue, EPC, or a point system, which looks at a combination of both revenue and EPC together. Then you can hit the refresh button on the top right side of the page. And just like that, you'll see the top performing offers for each of your email lists. Have a ton of different email lists? You can easily use the search bar to search for a particular list rather than scrolling.